This is not a traffic stop. This is a counterfeit currency case built entirely on secondhand evidence. An officer reviews surveillance footage with venue staff. She never saw the theft happen herself.
Can I straighten the office first?
What was that?
Can I straighten up the office first?
So this is last night.
Yeah, this is last night at 11:01.
Okay, who's the subject?
Bridget Riley.
Okay.
And then this person right here is leaving the ticket booth. This is her window. She's going on a comfort break at 11:01. That's when she exits the area.
These are the same register. I'm not confused, right?
No, this is
Bridget?
this is register 63. This is register 64. But this is another angle of 64.
Okay.
So this right here, this chair up here, is this right here.
Okay. So let me just. I'm gonna write all this down. When'd you guys find this out? Last night or today?
Today.
When you ran the drawers?
No, actually, we would have found.
I'm sorry, guys.
We would have found out then, but the this person had actually, when she dropped her money last night, saw the counterfeit bills that she had replaced in this drawer,
So
and
an
sent them to
employee
the
noticed that
supervisor.
these are weird.
And then the supervisor came in here, her manager, and she was showing me them, seeing what we should
Oh, you
should
physically
do.
have them as well?
I can go get them for you.
Yeah, I'll take
I haven't
those
seen
evidence.
them yet, but I have pictures.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Lock the door. Or
Do you mind?
might get hit in the back.
He's a pain in the ass.
Okay. So this is register 64?
This is 64. Yeah.
Okay.
She left the ticket booth. She's now skipping the area. And then at 23:01:36, she's pulling in her bra to get the counterfeit bills.
Replay it one time for me. Sorry. I should be paying attention.
Dogs coming from the beach all the way through.
Is she breaking these bills down?
Yes. Those are her 20s that
I
she
just wanna
has
make sure.
in her hands right now. And then they're still on her counter. She helps a guest. And then she goes back to it in a second.
So she put the counterfeit bills in 64 already.
Yes.
Went back to 63 with real bills.
Yes.
Put the
And now-
real bills in to 63.
Is making change for those bills.
Okay, bet. Okay.
And she's taking out the last 10 to make up that $250. She puts 110 there, one $10 bill, puts the rest of her 10 back in, and then holds it up, put it in her hands. She still has it in her hands. She'll have it in her hands for a few seconds.
That's all right.
Please open the door now.
Shh. Give me a minute.
Was he kidding or serious?
No, he's serious. He's just weird.
and we don't have video of it, but this is a countertop right here where they keep their personal bags.
Okay.
So we assume that she's putting those bills into her
Yeah.
her bags, and then she goes back to her.
At least they were last known to be in her possession by the time she exited the frame there.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else on this?
Say again?
Anything else?
No.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. 64 taken. I'm gonna sound really repetitive. I just like to make sure I understand everything because sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to understand it. So she was on a shift working at 11:01. The other girl that was watching her register left it open, the other register open as well, left the area. She obviously then entered into somewhere near her chest, took out some bills, went to the other register, put money into that register that we believe to be counterfeit. Then she took out $250 in was
Real
maybe
bills.
real currency, returned to her register, made change with those bills, and then took those bills into her possession in an unknown area.
Yep.
Okay, cool. And then one more time, where this was discovered was that night or the morning? I'm sorry.
This was discovered this. I actually don't know until
I
I don't
think
know.
Kirsten
Miranda-
herself looked at her bill. Well, this girl.
It was discovered last night
Yeah.
by that girl.
Okay.
And then she took a picture last night, sent it to her supervisor.
It was
Her
like, these are weird.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and said, I do not remember taking these. And then she said, just drop them, we'll deal with it in the morning. She came
No
in
problem.
this morning. As soon as the supervisor got here this morning, she came in and talked to me about it.
Okay. I mean, this is pretty super cut and dry, to me at least. I just want to obtain the bills just so I can like
Yeah.
verify myself, and
Yeah.
then I just want to grab their names and then just your name, just because you're reporting it to
Okay.
me. All right, you're
Yep.
not like culpable
Yeah.
for anything. It just I have to put in the report.
Gotcha.
So
Okay, can I give you their names and then we'll
yeah,
go?
if you want to write it down for me, honestly, I'd appreciate it as long as you have your
Yep.
name writing. And do you have date of birth as well, or just for her? I just need her date of birth.
The reason that the girl who received the counterfeit bills from her even looked was because she told her when she came back, told her, I had to make change out of your drawer. I needed tens.
Okay. So she wouldn't even have been.
She didn't even touch the. She wouldn't even thought about
Yeah.
it. She would have known when she was dropping her money because it would spit out the counterfeit bills. But she discovered it before she got to the machine.
Just gotta picture this.
She does not look like that anymore at all.
Just a little bit.
She lost a lot of weight.
Lost some weight.
Like,
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Yeah, she looks very much on crack.
Okay, so she might be using.
Them, so yeah.
That's
That's the person who was only on the frame for a few
Only
seconds.
on the
and then
64
that's
register.
that's
Okay,
the
cool. I think I got it all straight then. What was your name, real quick?
John Kramer. JOHN KRAMER.
What's your birthday? I'm just gonna use this address and this phone number for you.
Okay, yeah,
for this
that's
place.
fine.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna deactivate.
We'll go up to the cash room together and grab this.
Yeah.
Sir,
Thank you. Oh my
Sir,
gosh.
are you?
That distinction matters. Everything that follows depends on it. Probable cause does not require an officer to witness a crime firsthand. The Supreme Court settled that in Illinois versus Gates, 1983. The standard is the totality of the circumstances. Reliable secondhand information counts. Here, the officer cross-checks register numbers, timestamps, camera angles. Repeatedly, that repetition is not caution for its own sake. It is armor against a later defense challenge. Vague witness accounts collapse under cross-examination. Specific, verified details do not. The elements of theft are simple in most states. Unlawful taking, property of another, intent to permanently deprive. If the staff account holds up, all three are present. Genuine currency removed. Never returned, but intent is the hardest element to prove. A missing bill is not automatically a stolen bill. What strengthens intent here is the pattern. Counterfeit in. Genuine out. Twice. On camera. Now the evidence itself. The officer states she wants to personally examine the bills. Not a copy, not a photo. The actual bills. Chain of custody starts here. Every hand the evidence passes through becomes a fact a defense attorney can attack. A photo relayed secondhand is weak evidence. Currency physically logged into police custody is strong evidence.
Citizen your first video is nice showing, guys. Thank you so much. Great. Okay.
Follow the red line to get the seagulls up. The one who's gonna get the seagull up first, the one who's gonna get the prize, alright?
If it's not too much to ask, or just like escort up the vehicle, we don't feel safe, okay? You understand where I'm coming from? No problem. Are you going to be able to take a report too?
No, he's coming with me. He's going to help me with this.
Keep going, you're doing a great job.
And I'm going to
Keep
pull him away
going,
for a minute. My
guys.
detective handles that.
Okay,
So close,
so no report then?
close.
Unless you want one.
I said yes.
Number 6. Whoa,
wanna get his info?
you were so close.
You have your license on you?
Good job, good job.
You need my
You
info?
were so close.
Who's making the
So,
Forget it.
fine. I'm sorry, you can
That's how
take your prize of
reports
your
go.
choice.
I gotta get your info.
Sure, I'm gonna change it. I'm sorry for that.
Alright, guys, let's go.
Cruise up. I'm so sorry for that. You can check it if you find any other thing. So I think it's all of them are like this extras. Yeah. Alright, which prize do you want?
Thanks, guys. Later, brother.
Sure, anything extra, anything extra? Sure.
Right now, guys, we are doing the Xbox special. You can wrap a ring around a silver bottle. You can win yourself a brand new Xbox Series X. So step on over, step on in. Why not give this game a spin?
What do we do with that there?
Clicked on that. Clicked up on that. I thought that was him in the window when we were talking there. I was like, oh. What do you get? Oh, all good? You guys coming?
We have to make that.
43, I've located again.
Yes, sir. That was my best, but then he said he was kind of a great builder.
Then comes the arrest, and with it, the Fifth Amendment. Miranda warnings are not required simply because someone is in custody. They are required when custody meets interrogation. Both conditions, not one. Telling a suspect why she is under arrest is not interrogation. It is notice. No warning is legally owed for that statement alone.
Check the ground with the wall.
I didn't steal.
You did, unfortunately, Bridget, okay?
Why?
Okay. We'll get this figured out. This is the time being, Bridget, we're going to keep walking over the rest. Yeah, but what I'm trying to do is you're under arrest, you have to come up, okay? You're under arrest with theft, that's her last time, okay?
We'll talk about it back at the police station. I'd like to hear your side of the story, okay? But unfortunately, right now we have to take you into custody. Okay? You understand? Keep the charge behind your back. This officer's going to handcuff you.
Can I get my stuff?
We're going to grab it for you. That's no problem. We're just going to
grab that for you.
You can.
You seem like a real nice lady, Bridget.
We're not going to give you a hard time.
I already checked that your criminal history. It's not serious at all. Right? You have no criminal history. So what's going to happen? This is shopper. All that's going to happen today is you're going to come in with us. You're going to get charged with things today, and you're going to get released. Okay? Let's just make that clear. Okay? We're on the same page.
Alright, I'm just going to grab your arm to escort you, okay?
When we get back to the police station, I'll explain this a lot more to you, okay? But right now, you're under arrest for theft, okay? For stealing money. Alright? Follow up.
I'm sick. I need my gallbladder out. So I'm
I got you.
I'm going to grab all your stuff, Bridget.
It's no problem.
No, I might be falling.
I got you, don't worry. Reset. Are you local?
Am I local?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me camera.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
Where'd you go to school?
Oh, I was still.
Are you at school?
My pocketbook's in there.
Alright, we're going to have that gentleman stand up for us.
Okay.
You got it. You got it? Thank you.
I promise you I didn't steal.
What's that, ma'am?
I promise you I didn't.
We'll talk about it when we get in.
Hi guys, we're here to try something about $7. 25 cents equal to 85 cents saving prize. Grab your purse, grab your change and sell some Friday.
What's that, ma'am?
With my purse?
We'll talk about that at the police station.
I'll shut up.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. You're okay. I'm not allowed to ask you questions or tell you anything just yet, okay?
Shall we get a picture of you?
Sorry.
No, you're alright. Take your time.
Okay. Looks like that's ironic.
Go in the back.
Yeah, we're gonna put you in the back, right where he's at.
Do you have anything in your pockets right now? Just $10. No big deal. Okay.
Want it?
You can leave it in your pocket.
Leave it in your pocket for now. No knives, nothing like that on you, no weapons. Okay, I'm just asking. I just gotta ask everybody. That's all, dear.
All right, nothing in that back seat, right?
No.
All right.
You don't have cushion.
What's that?
You don't have cushion.
Let me grab this seatbelt over here.
This is okay. You're good.
You can use that to push yourself in.
My butt.
Yeah, it's tough.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
You'll be all right.
All right, Bridget. You're all right.
All right, we're gonna get to headquarters. Just a couple minutes.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take.
We'll talk in a couple minutes, okay?
Okay.
I'm taking a read up. All right. You have your stuff?
Yeah, I put it on your passenger seat. Hey, when you bring her up, make sure you bring those bills up with you, the money.
Okay.
Yep.
Am I going through that on scene?
Nah, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Just go backstage. Just take your footer in the booking area.
All right, I'll put it.
Get myself together.
Right next to the door. You getting air back there? I'm fine. All right. I got you. I'm in Route 19, one adult female in custody.
So far.
To the officer in vehicle 324. If you can come back to the I just need this moved real quick. Come right now.
111.3. Good roll.
No, sir.
Lock the
What's up?
What happens next in the vehicle is more interesting. The officer tells her, directly, that she is not allowed to ask questions yet. That single sentence is doing real legal work. Casual conversation during transport can become evidence. Courts call it the functional equivalent of interrogation. Small talk that circles back to the crime, even accidentally, can produce a statement prosecutors later use. By shutting that door early, the officer protects the arrest from a suppression motion before one is ever filed. This is not required by law. It is smarter than the law requires. No confirmed Miranda warning appears anywhere in this recording, though that is not proof of a violation. No interrogation is captured either. It is simply a gap, and gaps in a recording become questions in a courtroom. One more detail deserves scrutiny. A comment about the suspect's appearance. Made off to the side. It did not affect the arrest decision. It still should not have been said. Professional conduct is not just about legal thresholds. Bodycam footage is public record. Every word counts. Take the pieces together. Verified evidence. Careful documentation. A deliberate delay on questioning. That combination is what separates an arrest that survives a motion to suppress from one that does not. 3 lessons stand out here. First, secondhand evidence can support probable cause, but only if it is specific and cross-verified. Vague accounts do not survive court. Second, silence after arrest is a tool, not an accident. Cutting off conversation before Miranda applies prevents problems nobody has to argue about later. Third, chain of custody is decided in the first few minutes, not at trial. Physical evidence needs a documented path from discovery to police hands, immediately.